Hello everyone, this is Altaf, and in this video we will learn color in Python and how to set turtle's pen color and how to fill color inside polygon. So let's get started. Yeah, this is hexadecimal color. Hexadecimal color value are also supported in all browsers. Okay, and a hexadecimal color is specified with it should be a start with has and RR, GG and BB. It's represent red, green and blue. Okay, and hexadecimal integer between 0 to F. In hexa now, what we have 1 to 10 and then A, B, C, D, E, F 16. Okay, for example 0000 FF is displays blue. We will see in the example. Okay, so let's go forward. Yeah, this is method how to fill color in turtle. Okay, see, we have to write fill color. Okay, and here we can write string, color string. It means we can write red, blue, green, black, etc. And here fill color RBG. What we learn now? Okay, here you can start has and then number 0000 FF etc. AABB FF, like that. So let's move code section. See guys, here a square we draw in previous lecture. Okay, so see, this is a square. Okay, in starting here is no color is set. Okay, so let's set turtle pen color. T dot, just only put color and then red and save it and then run it. Sorry, here column should be there. And then see, this is draw by red color. Okay, if I will set here green, then it will be draw in green color. Okay, and then we will learn how to fill color on it. Okay, so there is three step. Okay, first there is variable t and dot fill color is red. Okay, and then begin color. Okay, begin the fill, so t dot begin fill, and at the last end fill. Okay, so t dot end fill. These three steps we have to follow to fill the color on polygon. So just run it. See, you can change different color like that. Okay, and same like if we want to set color in a star, three steps we have to follow. What? Here variable star, so a star dot fill color I'm putting red. Okay, and then a star begin color, sorry, begin fill, right? And then at last a star and fail. Save it and see. It goes 10 times because range I have set here is 10. See, a star with color field. Okay, we can change here the color. Yeah, one thing here, hexadecimal. I'm going to put here hexagonal point. Okay, for example, it should be a start with has and see. We have seen 0 and FF. It was yellow color, I think. Okay, so save it and then run it. No, blue. Yeah, it's blue color. Yeah, see. By using hexadecimal, we can change. For example, if I will put all 0, it will give, I think, black or red. So, black, I think. Save it. See. If I will set here all F, then it will give red, I think so. 6 should be there. 2, 4. RBC what there, right? Red, red, green, green, blue, blue. Yeah, it's white. Yeah, it's white color. Okay, that's why we are unable to see it. Just we change 0, 0, then see what happens. Yeah, see. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.